Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I'm Nick. It's a really cold day here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And I'm here with my mom who's walking away because she's embarrassed of me. Anyways, we're gonna go car shopping and I'm just trying to convince her that there are better options out there than this GMC Terrain. And obviously I would take her to Porsche because obviously that's one of my favorite brands out there. And if not, we have Audi over here. So let's see what we can get her into today. So we might be saying goodbye to the GMC Terrain Denali today, but I'm not 100% sure that that's gonna happen. We came here expecting to look at the Macan and the Q5. Well, anyways, it ended up looking at the Macan GTS over there and this gorgeous Audi SQ5, which is just absolutely to die for. Honestly, I'm not really trying to sway my mom into buying either, but I think the Audi SQ5 is pretty sweet. I mean, the Macan GTS is in itself a absolutely gorgeous car, but we'll see what she ends up buying. As you can see, we're not at the dealer anymore. We made an offer on the vehicle and they're taking forever to get back to us. And honestly, it kind of doesn't matter if she gets the vehicle or not. But what does matter is the vehicle that I have right here, this beautiful R8. We need to get this thing back on the road. Anyways, back here at Justin's lovely house, Freeport, Michigan. You got to see the interior of this house. It is absolutely gorgeous. Have you ever looked in like home magazines and stuff and just seen like, holy crap, I love that. That's his house. His wife is an awesome interior decorator, so if you need one, hit her up. So anyways, I was talking to Josh Kalis and he was saying that he had a Porsche back in the day that would just shut off because of dirty MAFs. Anyways, I went over here, disconnected the MAFs, Justin and I did, and I think it's about time to start this thing. Oh yeah? Police is out here checking out the broken car. Yeah. We just disconnected the MAFs right now. We're about to go start the car, and let's pray. Dad, I know you got me. I think all that oil that was just, all that smoke, all that shot out of the exhaust is from the oil and gas that have been sitting in there, because we had the key on for quite a while trying to troubleshoot everything. Well, it looks like it starts and idles fine now. I would like to trailer it to a garage, take off and clean up the MAFs. I think that's the go-to move right now. And then after that, we'll maybe take her for a rip.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, hold on. Alright, so not bad. No, that wasn't bad.
So we're back in the garage, and that's only because I don't feel like I've given you enough context in the video. As you can see, we disconnected the MAFs and it started up, and you can see it's pretty smoky. I think that's because the car is in limp mode. It's just dumping fuel to protect itself. Anyways, talking to Josh Kalis, he came over. We loaded the car up into his trailer so we could take it to his house and work out it outside the rain. We went over there, we wanted to take the parts off that we needed to clean the MAF sensors, and to do that we needed to take the bumper off, and to do that we need to take the fender liners out, and to do that we need to take the wheels off. Well, as like anything, I mean, it's kind of annoying, but there's wheel locks on the car and I don't have the wheel lock key. I had to come back to Vegas, and Mario actually hooked me up with a key, so thank you, Mario. Hopefully he'll be making an appearance back in the vlog soon. We'll let the car sit over there for a couple days. I tried to get the shipping company to pick it up over there, but they couldn't pick it up because the trailer wouldn't fit down his drive. So he was kind enough to load it back up into his trailer and drive it down to Byron Center where my mom lives. Can't say enough good things about him. Can't say enough good things about the people of Michigan that came out and really helped me. I mean, it really truly warms my heart to know that people out there exist, and you know, when you kind of around those people, it really makes me want to go back. I'm not saying that I don't like Vegas, but sometimes people out here can be a little bit rough around the edges, and over there they're genuinely good. In the video, you'll notice a camera pointing at his trailer, and I plan to just film the car going into the trailer, but you'll hear it start up and it's running extremely rough, and that's when the MAFs are connected. You'll see me get out and disconnect the MAFs, and although not running good and still in limp mode, it does smooth out. So that's why I think the problem is the MAFs. Also, I was gonna make a couple of different videos from all the footage you see here, but I decided to bunch it all up into one, and that way I can cut out a lot of useless stuff that I don't believe that should have been in the video. So back to it. Hope you like the vlog. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I'm Nick. That's Josh over there at his beautiful trailer. We're at his house right now, and we're about to load up the car. Yeah, well, the car is still broke. He was kind enough to help me out and drag it over here, and we thought we were gonna be able to fix it. Well, we have to remove the off to get to what we need to, and to do that, we need to remove the bumper. Well, there's wheel locks, and well, they didn't give me the key for the wheel lock, so basically it's just still here. So with that being said, we're gonna put it on a trailer and send it back to Vegas and get it all hooked up. But you can see over here his rides. This thing is freaking nasty. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. Just traded that, his twin turbo Lambo, for this Viper. I think it's an awesome trade. It's beautiful. But without further ado, let's get this thing onto the trailer.
Well, make sure it's, oh yeah.
Cool. She's off. All right, let's give it another try.
You want me to shut the back for you?
What's up? Yeah. Super close, and without these race ramps, this definitely wouldn't be possible for sure. But he's got the saving grace of every good race trailer. Needs a winch. But one thing's for sure, you'll be able to tell his trailer apart from anybody else's trailer at the racetrack for sure, because everybody's got the either white, black, maybe some graphics, but check that out. He's got graffiti on the side, says clapped out. That's his channel, you can check that out. Link in the description below. There's actually a video of him actually painting this trailer, and it's actually really cool. And he's got the boombox on this side. I think that says Spoons right there. One of the tires is low. Gonna move this out here real quick. Gotta use your stuff. Damn, this thing's pretty nice. Let's fill this thing up. Nice. Good. Load it up. We're gonna take it down to back to my mom's house so that the transporter can come get it either tomorrow or Saturday. Tried to have it changed to get them come over here, but they just can't get the trailer in here. And, so that kind of is a bummer a little bit, but it is what it is, and we'll catch you later. All right, we're here at my mom's house, gonna get this thing unstrapped and get it back into the garage. See, I'm standing on my mom's driveway cleaning. Well, I actually haven't came up with a name, so if you have a name, why don't you drop that down below and we'll consider it. Anyways, we're cleaning her up so that she can get on a transport back to Vegas. The transport was supposed to come either today or tomorrow, but there's another Murcielago here in town that's going to Vegas as well, and they're not ready. So they're gonna pick both cars up on Tuesday, which our agreement was gonna be today or tomorrow. And anyways, they're gonna cut me a discount, so because of the inconvenience, which is all right. It's kind of disappointing because I wanted to film the car going onto the trailer and everything, but that's all right. Some of you watching this might be thinking, oh, did you go with the cheapest option out there? Actually, no, I kind of went to the opposite end of the spectrum. I was actually quoted through a reputable guy in Vegas a pretty good amount, and actually spent more than that because I never heard back from him. So anyways, I thought I spent a pretty good amount on transport for peace of mind, and anyways, they're not able to pick it up until Tuesday, which I understand. They have a business and the other people are not ready to pick up, and you know, it's easier to ship two instead of one going to the same place, and it is what it is. You know, for the most part, she's looking good, and you know, I would say that she does need the last detail, that she needs the supple hands of Jace Price to really work on her, and you know, to really get that gloss coming out. Anyways, we're working on the car. I don't have any of my own stuff here in Grand Rapids, so I had to go buy some stuff to wash it, and I came across this. I honestly bought it. Red wide body R8 with the GT wing. Red wide body R8 with the GT wing. HRE P101. HRE. Well, I'm not sure if these are the P101, but they are 101. As you can see, it's all cleaned up, looking good. And I'm not sure if you would have bought that because of that anyways, but I thought it was quite the coincidence. So that's why I bought it. Anyways, let's do a couple of glamour shots, and oh, my mom decided on a vehicle. We're supposed to pick that up tomorrow morning, but the dealer process is it's a little funky, I should say, but I'll explain that on the way to the dealer when we're on the way to pick it up. All right. Well, the car is back in my mom's garage, and now we're just waiting on the transport to come pick her up. Done. What is this? Probably the next couple of days. Shout out Josh Kalis. His channel clapped out. I mean, he helped me out so much. He really tried to help me out by you know, being motivated, want to try to help me fix this, and I don't even know him that well, but after I, you know, offered to pay for his gas or, you know, try to compensate him in some way, you know, he just kind of looked at me and said, you know, it's no big deal. It's what we do. We're car guys. And something to be said about that. I'm not too sure too many guys out there in Vegas would be like that. You know, I know a few, but I mean, the just generosity and the genuine people back here in the Midwest, I mean, it's just, man, it's just really heartwarming. And I can't tell you how much it really means to me that so many people actually tried to help me out with this car. And I mean, yeah, until you're broke down on the side of the road and, you know, you get all these people trying to help you out, I mean, I guess you might not know how I feel, but I'm very, very grateful. So on that note, if you like this video, hit that like button below, smash it if that's something you want to do, subscribe if you already haven't. We'll see you in the next video.